So these are the things we're going to need for the oil change. Like I said earlier, I got the oil ready. I got the Mopar filter, windshield wipers are addition. I have my oil filter wrenches and sockets. Got a breaker bar for the plug, and then I got a small wrench to tighten the plug. Still a 1/2-inch wrench, and then for you to remove the plug, it's going to be a 13 millimeter. I haven't swapped over the conversion to standard, but just in case you guys have it, it's a 13 mil. So let's begin. Alright, so here's the engine bay. All the main work's going to be done on the bottom. Obviously this is where you put the oil. Yeah, one best quality of the Overland is the fact that it has the adjustable struts. Love it. Don't need a jack or anything to change the oil. I didn't need a jack in the first place, but this makes it a little more convenient. Alright guys, this is the bottom. Normally there's a cover here, but I guess mine flew off or something. There's your plug. And I think you can kind of see it. It's in there. The filter. Yeah. Alright, let's get that bolt loose. Also, whenever you change oil, make sure you change your gasket around the plug. Alright guys, we're going to prep the other filter, insulation, oil it up, good to go. Alright, I'm gonna have to switch hands up. There we go. It's nice and hand tightened. And now what we're going to do is we're going to tighten the plug. There we go, nice and hand tightened. This is the fill process, guys. 80% done. What I started doing was I started becoming lazy, and I got a 5-gallon tank, and I just fill that up and then bring it to Walmart and dump it there. That way I don't have to make several trips, and I don't have a backyard full of 5-quart oil jugs or anything like that. Like I said, this one takes 7 quarts. Make sure you do add 7 quarts, you don't short it. Last thing you need is throwing a rod or a bearing or any of those wonderful internal engine components. What I like to do is I like to wipe the top of the engine cover with with the spilt oil. That way it gives it that nice shine. I'll show you what that shine looks like in a second. Alright, now that the refill's done, we're going to wipe it up. I'll show you what that shine looks like. That's the before. Seal tight. And you're just going to slide it out after. Just like that. Try not to let it hit your glass like that. Only reason why I did it, I'm trying to hold the phone with one hand and record this. But yeah, don't just don't. Unless you got insurance that covers it. Alright guys, this is the last part that you need to do for the oil change. See that oil change required? What we're going to do is we're going to reset that. In order to do that, and make sure the car's completely off. And then we're going to put it on without actually starting it. Slowly. And now we're going to restart it. There we go. No stored messages. Oil change for the next 10 to 15,000.